Understanding Solution Manual, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, solution manual. This is a common term you might encounter in academic settings, especially if you are studying in an English-speaking environment. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. A solution manual is a type of book or digital resource that provides answers and solutions to problems and questions, typically found in textbooks. It's particularly common in subjects like mathematics, engineering, and sciences, where problem-solving is a key part of the learning process. Solution manuals are used by students and educators alike for understanding complex problems and verifying correct answers. The primary purpose of a solution manual is to aid learning. It's not just about getting the right answers but understanding the methodology and the steps involved in arriving at those answers. Solution manuals often provide detailed explanations, which can be extremely helpful for students who are struggling with certain topics or for educators who are preparing teaching materials. Using a solution manual effectively means not relying on it solely for answers. It's important to first attempt the problems on your own. Afterward, you can refer to the solution manual to check your work and understand any mistakes. This approach ensures that you're actually learning and not just memorizing answers. It's crucial to mention the importance of academic honesty when using solution manuals. They should be used as a learning tool, not as a shortcut to completing assignments or exams. Misusing solution manuals can lead to academic misconduct, so it's important to use them responsibly and ethically. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand what a solution manual is and how to use it effectively in your studies. Remember, it's a tool for learning, not just for getting answers. Happy studying, and see you in the next video.